Hey, have you seen these charges from Expressco Services LLC on your credit card? I mean, I saw it one time ago and I'm like, whoa, what is wrong? But I took some steps and I'm able to, get exactly what is going on. Then after a week later, I, kind of see some people saying, oh, they also experience same thing, they also experience same thing. And I'm like, okay, you know what? So if other people are saying they've experienced same thing, then why don't we create a video tutorial regarding these, and possibly I'm certain a lot of people will be coming to YouTube to also search for these, and this video will help them to make the best decision and so that they won't be confused. So let's dive deep into this. And firstly, in case you wonder exactly what or where this charge comes from, it's possibly a service charge from using ExpressVPN, and you might have forgotten that you subscribe to it. There was a time that I subscribed to ExpressVPN. I was trying to do some stuff online, so I went ahead, subscribed to ExpressVPN, and I realized that, I was able to do what I want to do then, I never knew I was, I was hurry out to subscribe. Maybe it was their server that did like that. They just auto subscribe you. I don't know, but I just forgot. I don't remember me trying to auto subscribe for anything. So I felt it's kind of their technique to just auto subscribe you. So yeah, because VPNs, they are not what a lot of people do subscribe to. Okay, now I'm not saying people don't subscribe to VPN, but not a lot of people do, because there are a lot of free VPNs out there. So when this kind of VPN like ExpressVPN sees that you subscribe, they try as much as possible to just get you auto subscribe, so they keep on charging you from time to time. Now if you see the Expressco Services LLC charging your credit card, just know that it is 90% chance that it is from ExpressVPN. Now the actions you're supposed to take, okay, is to contact the ExpressVPN support to help you to cancel the subscription. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to do. You contact ExpressVPN and tell them, look, I got charged and this was what happened and blah blah blah, kindly help me to cancel my subscription. That is the first thing you want to do. Now what about you getting your money back? That one, I really cannot guarantee that, because it depends. All right, the first thing you just have to do is to make sure that you cancel your VPN. Now this is if truly you subscribe to ExpressVPN, but most of the cases, like in most cases, it is from ExpressVPN, because even from people who have asked also, in some groups that I belong to, they said to him that, oh yeah, it's from ExpressVPN when I subscribe, and I never knew, and blah blah blah, so like that. So it's from ExpressVPN. All right, and if it is not from ExpressVPN, then the next thing you want to do is to contact your bank. Okay, so make sure you contact your bank or your credit card issuer, inform them of what is happening, so possibly they will be able to issue you a new credit card. Because if that is the case, that it is not from ExpressVPN, then that means maybe there's a breach and possibly it is hackers or fraudsters at work. All right, so I would suggest these two things. These are the two actions that you should take immediately. Now that is not the end. I've got a lot of juice for you guys in this journey. The thing is that I cannot guarantee that you get your refund money, as it's a subscription that is being charged when you forget to cancel. So possibly you getting back your money, I really cannot guarantee that. Okay, but when it comes to you canceling your subscription, that one is guaranteed. All right, now what if you cancel but you still got charged? Then these are some of the things that you can do, some steps that you can take, and possibly it helps you out. Because a lot of people have also complained that, okay, what, Maverick, I canceled, but I still realize that I'm still getting charged even after canceling the subscription. Now the first thing you want to do is to check your subscription status. So try as much as possible to check that you have successfully canceled the subscription. Okay, according to the brand's canceling policy. Okay, so make sure that you're certain that you've canceled it. It's not like maybe you felt you've canceled but you have not. So confirm very well before you go ahead and start being like, oh, I canceled and it didn't work. Okay, now the second one is you might want to contact the customer support again. Okay, you might want to contact the customer support. Possibly, even if you got charged and you see that you got charged, go to ExpressVPN, check your details there, and you can remove auto subscription. Okay, but if you're still getting charged, then you can contact the support. Okay, or once again, you can contact the support, reach out to the brand's customer support immediately, and you can provide them with the details of your cancellation and unauthorized charge. Okay, so they might be able to resolve the issue and they can initiate a refund. Okay, because this way you've already canceled the subscription but you're still getting charged, so they will go ahead and issue your refund, and they can also resolve the issue for you. All right, another one is when you want to review the terms and condition, because when I refer to terms and condition, it is very much important, because you want to go ahead and understand their policies regarding the cancellation and refund. Okay, a lot of people don't put it into consideration, but it's very, very important. Okay, also you want to dispute the charge. So in case the brand doesn't cooperate, or if the maybe ExpressVPN did not cooperate, or if the charge is unauthorized, then or maybe it's not really from ExpressVPN, it's unauthorized, then you can decide to contact your credit card company or your issuer so they can help you to dispute the charge, and potentially they can issue you a chargeback for it. Okay, and hope you are not among the people who do not monitor their account, because you want to make sure that you keep an eye on your credit card statement to ensure that the issue is resolved and that you receive any refunds owned by you. Always make sure that you check out your credit card statement from time to time, so in case there's any kind of charges that you are not certain about, or maybe you've paid for something in the past and you are not using that such stuff, then go ahead and remove the auto renewal, okay, from the website, so that way you won't be charged unexpectedly. Okay, so and I always suggest that everyone leave their feedback. So whatever it is your experience with this kind of charge is, always make sure that you leave a feedback in the comment box so that it can serve as an experience with the brand to also help others avoid similar issue in the future. Okay, so yeah, it's very important. Like whenever you have any experience with that, you can leave a comment in their box so that a lot of people will also be able to learn from that. All right, so I make sure that you stay patient and persistent when resolving this issue. But sometimes it takes time. It's not as fast as you might think. Okay, because them replying, you doing everything. So just be patient and hold it. All right, talking about some expert level advice and measures that you can put into consideration, then the first one here is that you might want to keep documentation, okay, of all records and communication with the brands, okay, including emails, chats, transcripts, a phone call log. So this documentation can be useful in case you need to escalate the issue any further. Okay, so whenever you're reaching out to ExpressVPN, then try as much as possible to keep a record of your communication with them. Also, social media reach out is what a lot of people do. So in case the brand is active on social media, you might want to consider reaching them publicly, okay, because sometimes companies are more responsive to public inquiries as they want to maintain their reputation. So in case you realize that you're not getting the necessary information you need from them, maybe they are not really responding privately, then you can go public on them and just be like, you want your stuff. So that way they might still want to, they will still want to maintain their reputation. This has worked for a lot of people, and sometimes it works for me also. Okay, so you want to also review customer protection law, although this one is not really that recommended, but it depends on your location, because there might be customer protection law that safeguard your rights regarding unauthorized charges. So you can familiarize yourself with these laws to understand your rights and options. Okay, you might also want to file a complaint. So if necessary, you can file a complaint with relevant customer protection agencies or organizations. As this step can be taken if the issue remains unresolved and you believe the brand has violated customer rights. Okay, so these are some of the things that I know, and also seeking legal action. Okay, you can seek a legal action, and possibly you will be able to solve that. So those are the things I have for you in this video. Also, if you have any experience with these guys before and you've done one or two things, you can always let us know in the comment box, possibly to help a lot of people to make the best decision when it comes to these issues. Okay, and a lot of people out there also who are possibly experiencing something like this will be able to find a solution to their problem. So thank you very much. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And it's very important that you turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop videos just like this regarding another type of credit card charge, so that you'll be able to learn from all these videos and you'll be ready for any kind of unexpected charge before it even happens. That way you'll be ready to stop everything from coming, and you won't lose money, because a lot of people have lost a whole lot of money, $10,000, $20,000, just from them ignoring this kind of videos or ignoring stuff like this, and they feel like it's, maybe they got charged $12, they just be like, oh, it's normal, let me just leave it alone. And before they know, they are getting charged a lot, because sometimes it might not even be from the company, it might be all those fraudsters online. So you need to take preventive measures, okay, and make sure that you are very, very active. All right, and be patient along the way also, but be active whenever you're doing all these things, so that you can protect your credit card and you won't lose a lot of money to all these fraudsters. Okay, and also you won't also lose money to companies that you are not using their services any longer. So that is what I have for you. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck, peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.